Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another episode of your review channel. This video is all about Instagram, how to get your videos from Final Cut Pro X onto Instagram. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it, and let's get into the video right now. Okay guys, let's get into this video. So say you're working on a production and you want to get something into Instagram, and you want to, obviously it's only 60 seconds as you know, but you want to put a little snippet out there, a little trailer, a little teaser or something on Instagram from your project you're working on Final Cut Pro X, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Not the easiest way to do it, but it's the most effective way if you're working on a specific project that wasn't shot on the iPhone that you want to get onto Instagram. This is the only way that you can do it, and I'll show you the right format and how to export it, and that's how you have to do it. So here you're working on your regular project, okay? And so say you want to send a teaser to Instagram on your project, say you want to just generate some views or whatever. So here's a small piece here. So what you want to do first before you get into doing that. So here's a project here. What you want to do is you want to start a new project, okay? So let's get into a new project. So what you want to do is new open project. So what happens is a drop down comes in. So let's just name this new project Instagram video. Okay, so now this is your Instagram video. This is your regular video. This is going to be your Instagram video. What you want to do is you want to do a customization. So you hit custom, okay? Then you look in the different sizes. So the size for Instagram is 640 by 800. So you put 640, you put an 800, and that creates your Instagram video right there. Okay, so now you have this project, and now you have your Instagram project right here. So after you get done doing your project here, you can copy all this, or just take a piece of it, or just take a snippet of it and put it into this Instagram, into this project field. So take your video, no more than a minute, don't forget, drop it into your timeline, okay? You can see what happens, okay? That's your Instagram one. This is your regular one, Instagram. You can see it's all set up to go. You take that project, so that you have it all set up ready to go. Now you just take it here, you export at top of the right of your Final Cut Pro X field up here, hit that, okay, export file, right here, it's an MP4 video, all ready to go, okay, you can just label it right here, Instagram, okay, hit next, and where you want it to go, I want it to go on my desktop, so Instagram video is going to go on my desktop. Let's export this small snippet of the Instagram, and you'll see in a few seconds, it'll pop up right here, done, on the right. Give me 1 second, it's pretty quick, it's a short video, less than a minute, and there it goes, okay. So that is already rendered. Okay, so there it is. Let's close that, and let's just close down the Final Cut Pro X. Just put that down like this, and you'll see it right here. So here it is on your desktop. You take this image here, this video, you email it to yourself, save it to your camera roll, and then you can access it from there. That's the way around it. So if you're working on a project in Final Cut Pro X and you want to get a snippet or a teaser or something on Instagram, this is the way you have to do it. But it's kind of cool. That way you can just save the template right there, and you can export it right to Instagram. You can make a little quick video right there. You can do your own your customization, whatever you have to do. So that's the best way to do it. And you can take a look at the file size. We'll go here and we'll take a get information, and we'll see the size of this file, 53 megabytes. So that'll work. So you can email it to yourself, send it over, and then save it to the camera roll and upload it to Instagram. And that's how you do it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe, like, and share as always. I do appreciate that. And I hope you have a good day. And thanks for watching this tutorial on how to get your video from Final Cut Pro X to Instagram. Have a good night.